thing is, alright, we have to cheat a little bit.
Oh, she have to come in.
Right.
I'm going to have to please them saying I need to go to
Alright, now chop it up so we can get some close up. It become a light that the functions are too long.
So it could be that you will come back with the knife behind you.
Okay.
Yo, I'm ready for season 5.
But anyway, hear me I say, enough of them talk.
Yeah, when I enter, go to the left. Yeah. I never think I use one side.
Right. Action.
What you say?
Hey, which is right.
Hold on. Start again. You just say line. Like a problem they take care of.
Yeah, if it's a problem.
Yeah, and him say business fixed. So
Yeah, true.
rolling and action.
You know, so we shouldn't deliver them two set of lines.
Hold on, yeah. No, now cut it.
Things they get themselves wrong.
Alright, get ready. Alright, so after you say your line, I just cut to him for his response, then I come back to you for yours, yeah?
Okay.
Rolling and action. Alright. Rolling, quiet on the set, and action. No. That should tell him, Miss Leone. Rolling and action. No, do what you do and deliver the line from over the top. One more time, hold on, move again, move from this again. Yeah, that's all. So you sort of turn from this up and set the line. Rolling and alright, Miss Lonnie, me need to see something on your face when you look angry. Me need to see one knit up brow.
Me I keep
You have
on
a
them
very
must there from
pleasant
my
face. I like your natural face. You know something like that turn up there?
And the Christian market turn up, that's it up.
Give me, let's do it from top again.
Yeah, one pencil.
Let's do it from top again. And give me a little more.
I have Miss Leonie already.
Yeah, man. Rolling and action. We can work with that.
Yes, that is it. Milk call you, milk call you.
Yo, she not even done that before the phone end up.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
That is it, we like that.
We're not even see the hand.
We not have to see the hand that bad.
Oh, sure, milk call you, milk.
So everyone from the nigga right to switch.
Quiet.
The Debbie, and she called the woman by the last name. And then she said to the Miss Call.
Eat and full and go to that.
She never said anything.
Shirt with just a tie.
You can be sure to just attack.
This scene shirt with just a tie.
Then,
Bartender.
season 5 coming at you. Mother me.
Rich is right. Because you know so which is right. Rich is right. Right thing, boss?
I open already. I open already. So go and like and subscribe.
Yeah man. Journey
And
to
go and
100K.
settle and wait. Below.
Quick! Go for them. Less than 3.
Let's start at the best start, man. Them know that. Say less. One bread back them.
Left the carrot chocolate. The
Carrot
carrot chocolate
chocolate.
bread box. Where is it?
You have something for that ass. Yes, yeah, I know what you do.
Yeah man,
Just
road to
munch.
100k, make sure you go subscribe and like and watch what I go on, you see me?
Yeah man.
Be an epic content over here so.
Which is right.
Now for the 40 man, the bartender series season 5 I hit a shot man.
Ah, try man.
Bartender crew! We out.
Gunshot. Gunshot.